on your table, we build pressure vessels, and we've learned to be able to lay out, take the plate, put it up on the table, lay it out, cut all the holes in it with your machine, bevel it, roll it, take the next shell, has holes in it, put the matchwork together, and put it together. It saves us hours and hours of time. So, because all you got to do is walk up and pop your nozzles in. You don't have to lay it out anymore. It etches it for you so you know where your 90 and 180 and 270 is and your 45. If we want to put lifting lugs or anchor tears on it, we just mark it, and then the guys just go in there and put it on it. It's a hell of a tool.
Awesome. And what tool are you talking about?
Tight.
Fantastic. That's good to hear. What's your name, sir?
Robert Brown.
All right, Robert. Thank you very much.
And you'll have to edit it.
All right.